In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Super Bear Adventure online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Primarily, Super Bear Adventure is a single-player experience. However, as long as you are running the latest version of the game alongside your friends, you can do multiplayer mode. So, like I said before, make sure that you have the latest version of the game installed. If you have an older version, it is possible that multiplayer will not be available for you. When you have the latest version available, look for this globe when you start your save. So as soon as you start the game and you are able to walk around, look for this little globe icon on your spawn point. Walk up to this globe icon and then interact with it. Once you interact with this pedestal, you will be able to access multiplayer mode. So in here you have two options, join party and create new party. One of you will create the party and everyone else will be able to join. So first, go over to create new party and you will be here alone. You will be able to invite up to 3 friends, so the lobby can host 4 people. You will see the invite code here, so for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All that you have to do is copy this code and give it to your friends. So let's say for example someone was going to join you, they would select join party, and when prompted to input the room code, they would type out this code here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They would load in here. And after they load in, you would be able to play together. So everyone taps on the ready button. Once everyone is ready, you can start multiplayer mode and all of you can play together. Like I said, for this to work, everyone needs to be on the latest version of the game, so be sure to update if needed. And as long as everyone is on the same latest version of the game, just walk up to the globe icon and you will be able to do multiplayer mode. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to the channel metrics. If you subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.